it feels like some kind of crazy alchemy that all of these things are colliding on a day like today. My daughter got her first tooth this week. I woke up with her lying on my chest, snuggling me, and I feel like what a gift to get to, explore motherhood through this incredible mother that Agnes is and was, and then to become one myself, and then to receive this recognition of the incredible role mothers play in our world on this day is something I will never, ever forget. Well, I think all my roles stay with me. I don't ever want to let go of the incredible women that have really given me an education that I've been looking for as a woman. But I think this role cracked a kind of tenderness in me that sometimes if you're a strong woman, you're perceived as just being strong, but actually tenderness is as vibrant and strong as strength. And I think to know that through this woman, where she was able to hold the capacity of strength and vulnerability and tenderness and grief and love in all its epic colors, I mean, why would you ever want to let that go? It's something that I want to hold on for the rest of my life.